Hello, thank you for joining. In this video, we are going to cover why we would want to create custom tags, how we would create custom tags, and how you can use those. So before I start showing you anything, I want to make sure that we understand why we do this. As a part of onboarding any new customer to Flexera One, we will want to make sure that we scrape your bill to see how many different tags you've used, how many different versions of those tags there are as well. We know that people are going to misspell or they're going to capitalize the wrong letter, and we want to make sure that we create clean, nice display names so then we can use all those different versions of those tags in reporting, in allocation rules, in dashboarding. So let's show a quick example of this. So once we've gone ahead and we ran what we call the cardinality report, this is the policy that lets us scrape the bill. We then go into tag dimensions. Tag dimensions then lets us create that nice clean display name like this cost center example, and then all the different tag keys that are associated with it. I've been doing this for about 13 years, and at this point I have probably seen environment spelled 100 different ways. I have probably spelled environment 50 of those different ways myself, right? So we know that we want to go ahead and create a tag like that. And then we might want to say, hey, I know some people spell environment just ENV. Some people create environment ENV undercase, right? All the different versions that we might create in here, we want to incorporate all of this. And luckily, we can just do that using that cardinality report. Look at all the different versions. It's also really important that we can use this tag dimension page as a rule to pass to the other users within our environment. This is all exportable. Once we have created those, then we can go into places like cloud dashboards, where we can then look at those nice clean display names that we were looking at before and actually utilize these in dashboarding, in reporting, in allocation rules. Really key to make sure we have a clean, concise tagging structure for our FinOps practice. So today, what did we cover? We covered that how and why we would create these tag dimensions, when we would use these, and why it is so important to create the different tag dimensions. Thank you.